y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. And again, thank you for being here. If you're new, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join us here on YouTube. We do all kinds of fun unboxings, review videos, haul videos. It's always so much fun. And make sure to leave a comment, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. But as you can see, I'm excited. We do have a new subscription. It is the November 2018 Lollies by Leah. And this is actually a lollipop subscription. It is $20 a month, and I will make sure to put a link down below to get you to the website. This was very kindly sent to me for review and to share with you guys. So I am excited to dive in here and see exactly what all this subscription is about. And yeah, let's just get our box cutter and dive on in here. So I do know that, like I said, this is the November box, and it is themed after the new Wreck-It Ralph 2 movie, and the theme is Sugar Rush. So this is what it looks like when we open it. That is, okay, right here. And this is a thank you for filming an unboxing of my Sweet Rush Racers LollyBox. Coupon code. Okay, this is awesome. So she very kindly has given me a coupon code to give to you guys. Southern Mom will get you free shipping on all LollyBoxes. So I will make sure to put that down below. Like I said, it is $20 a month. So if you use the code Southern Mom, you will get free shipping. So that is great. And let's see. Lollies by Leah. Lollies by Leah was founded in 2014. I built my gourmet lollipop business with the belief that simple is better. While my flavors are complex, the ingredients never are. So take this moment and enjoy something sweet. And then that's, so let's see here. Oh, that is cute, y'all. It's all like tied up and pretty, and that is so cute. All right, so we've got a couple little business cards here. I like that it's tied up. It's just, that is so cute. All right, let's see. What do we have here? That is cute. Big old lollipop sticker. Oh, okay, so this is awesome. It's literally, it's a list of all of the different lollipops. There's 16 lollipops in each box. So let's see. Hello, hey, lolly lovers. I've had this LollyBox idea in my head for a long time. The first time I watched Wreck-It Ralph, I knew I wanted to name lollipops after the Sugar Rush Racers. These names were just too perfect. The release of Wreck-It Ralph 2 seemed like the best opportunity to break out these names and create some delicious lollipop flavors. This LollyBox is all about sweetness. There are so many variations on sweet in this box. We're talking marshmallow, cotton candy, sodas, cakes, ice cream, and frosting. Sweet. I hope you absolutely love it. It's always fun to see your pictures of the lollies. Please post a picture or pictures on your Instagram and or Facebook and tag hashtag Lollies by Leah, hashtag Sweet Rush, and hashtag LollyBox. Without further ado, here are the flavors in your Sweet Rush Racers LollyBox. All right, so we are going to dive in here. I am excited to see. And I obviously will definitely be sharing with Christopher. Because he saw this sitting on the counter, and he's like, Mom, are those suckers? So he knows. All right, so let's open this up. You guys, we could reuse this. How cute is that? It was upside down, but we could reuse this for like Christmas cookies or something. All right, so we have got 16 different flavors in here. So this is what it looks like, you guys. I'm sorry. When we open it, ooh, we're losing squigglies. So I'm just gonna start pulling them out and then we'll see exactly what they are. So this one is called Torvald Batter Butter. Let's see where this one is. Honey butterscotch and sweet cream. Taffeta mutton fudge. Sweet lemon birthday cake a la mode. These are interesting. These sound awesome. Jubilina Bing Bing. These names are just fun. Sweet cherry pineapple sugar thread. Oh, these names are just great. I love just the names. Minty Zaka. And they're cute. They have little sprinkles. Chocolate mint chip ice cream. Sticky Whipplesnit. Blueberry muffin with lemon glaze. Y'all, these are awesome. These names are so funny and so cute. I love it. Gloyd orange boar. Mandarin and orange vanilla fondant cream. Got squiggly stuck. Okay. Crumbalina de Carmelo. Hazelnut praline oatmeal cookie. Y'all, these flavors sound so awesome, and I seriously cannot get over the names. They are hilarious. I love it. Okay, and then we have the Wreck-It Ralph. This is root beer float topped with maraschino cherry and toasted marshmallow. That is crazy. I cannot wait to try one of these and see if like all of these flavors are, if you really do get all of these flavors. This is awesome. I know Christopher's going to take like all of these. This is Rancis Flugger Butter. Peanut butter graham cracker Belgian waffle. This is just fun. Oh, that one's pretty. Vanillope von Schweetz. Watermelon, strawberry, kiwi, bubblegum. So that will be very, very interesting. This is, y'all, this is just so cute. I love this. Citrusella Flugpucker. Vanilla bean, grapefruit, and blueberry. Candlehead. Angel food cake with watermelon buttercream. These flavors are just absolutely so unique, and I am so curious as to some of these combinations, how awesome they would be. This is the Nougat-Sia Brumblestain. Strawberry, lemon lime, cotton candy. I have like a permanent smile on my face with this unboxing. This is awesome. This is the Adora Beazle Winter Pop. Winterberry trifle with marshmallow fluff. These have little blue crystal sprinkles. I don't know if they're really showing up. Let's see. And here we have, oh, if I can hold it correctly, Swizzle Malarkey. Blue raspberry fizzy pop lemonade. And the final one we have is, where you at? Snowana Rainbow Guava Passion Fruit Kiwi Snow Cone. Y'all, these are so awesome. So yes, I haven't even tried one, and I can just tell you that the permanent smile that is across my face from just the name, and then thinking of when I would read the description of the flavor of a particular one, just imagining how that would taste is like just permanent smile. So I will make sure to put a link down below for you guys for Lollies by Leah, and she very kindly, like I said, did include that coupon code for me to give to you guys, which is Southern Mom. It will get you free shipping. It is $20 a month. Every month does have a new theme, and you get 16 amazing, fun, it's almost worth it just for the smile of reading the names and the flavors. That to me was just awesome. So, and it was super cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.